Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm XiaoMing. Today we are going to cook a simple yet very delicious dish, tomato fried egg. The ingredients we need are 3 tomatoes, 2 eggs. Now let's prepare all the ingredients. First, let's cut the tomato into dices. To prevent it from rolling around, I suggest to cut the tomato into half first, then dice it. Don't forget to remove all the hard part from the bottom. Next, let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 eggs into a small bowl. Lucky day, we got 2 double yolk eggs. Next, add around 1 gram of salt and a tablespoon of water to make the egg really soft, and then we stir it to mix well. Next, let's stir fry them. Add around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil when the pan is hot, then pour the egg into the oil. Stir fry the egg until it turns a bit golden color. Then we put all the cooked egg into a bowl. Add the same amount of oil into the pan. Put the diced tomato into the pan. Stir fry it till the juice gets thicker. Then we add back the fried egg and mix them well. Add around 2 grams of salt. Mix it well and boom, we are ready to serve. You can either put this on a plate or put it on rice. So good. Hope to see you in the next video.